Hey, I'm going to show you how to add a GIF to your ActiveCampaign emails. Yay! I know a lot of people like to act like you can't do a whole lot with ActiveCampaign. You can, especially with this new email designer, which is what I recommend. So what you'll do is you'll drag over an image box and you'll click on it. And ideally, if your GIF is already uploaded in here, you're all set. You just select it. If not, you're going to click add a file. You'll find your GIF in your computer files, and then you'll add it, upload it in here. So we're going to select this image. And voila, there it is. Now you can obviously customize the sizing. Maybe we want to make this more like 500. It was a little big before. Yeah, 500 feels good. And then, I still have to customize the rest of this template. So I just wanted to show you how to do that real fast. I hope that this helps if you've been wondering how to do this. And if you want other quick tech tutorials like this or other ways to automate your marketing online and really leverage tech to elevate and unlock a new level of success in your business, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tap that notification bell as well so that you find out when we release another video like this. And feel free to leave any questions in the comments. We'll try to get to them as soon as we can. All right, take care for now. We'll see you in the next video.